Come test drive this 2015 Kia Soul. This 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback provides exceptional value. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.